Hello, good morning students. I just hope you are all doing well. Now after exam, I am going to start new chapter. Its name is storage devices. Students, as we have already studied till chapter 6, now it's time to teach chapter 7. And the name of the chapter is computer storage devices. Okay, lesson 7. See students, I have made some pictures on this board. You all have to see it carefully. So see, first of all, this is cupboard, bag, this memory card, pen drive, CD and hard disk. And now you are thinking that, ma'am, why has made all these pictures on board? Yes students, this is the topic which I am going to teach you today, like storage devices. Whenever you are going to keep your clothes, so where will you keep? Definitely you need a cupboard or almirah, right? So in cupboard or almirah, you keep your clothes, your books, your toys and all those things, like all your belongings, you keep in your cupboard. Okay, if you have to keep your copies, books, pencil box, lunch box, handkerchief and all those things, so where will you keep? Of course you need a school bag. You will keep all these things in your school bag only. Okay, so this is also called a storage place. And if you want to keep fruits, vegetables, cold drinks, chocolates and some other things, so you need a refrigerator in which all these things will be always fresh. Yes students, so I want to make clear this point that the chapter is storage place. So my topic is storage devices, storage place. Yeah, similarly, to store data, we need some storage devices. Yes, so this is the chapter which I am going to teach today. So all of you have to go through this video and get to know about storage places and storage devices too. See, some of the pictures are given as I have already shown you. So you all have to see this, and some of the pictures of storage devices you have to draw in your copy. Yes, of course, in computer copy. 3 are given here, but you have to draw only 2 of them. Okay. So let's start. I am going to read this chapter as well as I will explain it. You have to go through this video and you have to read it well. And if you have any doubts, so please ask me in live class. So let's start. See students, what you are going to cover up in this chapter 7, storage devices, and you are going to learning in this chapter the concept of storage devices. It means first of all you have to clear the point storage. What is the storage? Okay, and then we will learn about storage devices. ये storage क्या है, पहले इस concept को हम लोग समझेंगे बच्चों. Look at the given pictures. See, some of the pictures are given here as you can see in this book students. These objects are used to store things. They are called storage places. It means students, where you are keeping your objects, the place, you know, what is that called? Yeah, the same place is called storage places. Like you keep your clothes, books and toys in a cupboard. So it is a storage place. आप अपने कपड़े, बुक्स और टॉयज जिस कबर्ड में रखते हैं, तो वो जो है कबर्ड आपका स्टोरेज प्लेस हुआ. इट मीन्स यू कैन कीप योर थिंग्स हियर, कीप योर बिलोंगिंग्स हियर. इट मीन्स दिस इज स्टोरेज प्लेस. नाउ सी, एवरी डे you carry your bag, school bag. Your school bag is a storage place for keeping your books and notebooks. Yes. See students, this is school bag and it is used to keep your things, keep your belongings. ये आपका स्कूल बैग है और इसका यूज़ हम लोग आपके जो नोटबुक्स होते हैं, बुक्स होते हैं, स्टडी मटेरियल्स होते हैं, पेंसिल बॉक्स, लंच बॉक्स, इन सारे चीज़ों को रखने के लिए हम इस बैग का यूज़ करते हैं. सो दिस इज ऑल्सो अ काइंड ऑफ स्टोरेज प्लेस फॉर कीपिंग योर बुक्स एंड notebooks. All right. Now I'm moving to next point. A refrigerator is a storage place for keeping fruits, vegetables, cold drinks, chocolates, and other eatables. See students, here in this refrigerator, so many things are kept. It means we can keep fruits, vegetables, cold drinks, chocolates, and so many table things can be kept over here. It means it is a storage place. I mean to say students, where we can keep our things, our materials, our belongings, our eatable things, or our needy things. It means जो कि हमारे ज़रूरत की चीज़ें हैं, वो चीज़ों को हम जहाँ जिस जगह पर रखते हैं वो होता है हमारा स्टोरेज प्लेस. सिमिलरली, you can store the data of a computer in hard disk, CDs, DVDs, pen drive and memory card. Students, ठीक उसी तरीके से in the same way we can store the data of a computer. कंप्यूटर के जो डेटा होते हैं ना, उन्हें हम कहाँ स्टोर कर सकते हैं? उसको भी तो स्टोर करने के लिए कोई स्टोरेज डिवाइस होनी चाहिए. यस, एंड द स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस आर हार्ड डिस्क, CDs, DVDs, पेन ड्राइव्स एंड मेमोरी कार्ड. तो ये जो है ना, ये आपके स्टोरेज डिवाइसेस हैं. यू कैन स्टोर गेम्स, लेटर्स, स्टोरीज, ड्राइंग्स, songs, etc. in them. ये सारी चीजें, we can store all these things in this storage devices. You can use the stored data whenever you need it. और जो पहले से stored data होते हैं, उनका यूज जब कभी भी हमें ज़रूरत पड़े तो हम उनका यूज़ कर सकते हैं. जैसे अगर फ्रिज में हमने फ्रूट्स रख दिए और हमें खाना है, इफ़ यू वांट टू ईट, सो विल गो एंड पिक अप और टेक दैट पर्टिकुलर फ्रूट और दैट पर्टिकुलर टेबल थिंग. सो लाइकवाइज स्टूडेंट्स, वेन एवर वी नीड द स्टोर्ड डेटा वी कैन यूज़. Now I'm moving to the next point, students. Storage devices. Hard disk. See students, this is a picture of hard disk which is fixed in the CPU cabinet. Hard disk is like a box. ये hard disk आप देख रहे हैं, एक बॉक्स की तरह होता है, और ये it is fixed inside the CPU कैबिनेट. ये CPU कैबिनेट के अंदर फिक्स होता है. इट कैन स्टोर ह्यूज अमाउंट ऑफ डेटा. बहुत बड़ी मात्रा में हम यहाँ इसमें डेटा स्टोर कर सकते हैं. सो दिस इज हार्ड डिस्क. नाउ आई एम मूविंग टू नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. नेक्स्ट स्टोरेज डिवाइस इज पेन ड्राइव. A pen drive is small in size. It also stores huge amount of data but less than a hard disk. You can transfer data to another computer by using a pen drive. Students, see, this is a picture of pen drive. You can recognize it. Yeah, this is pen drive. This is small in size. It can also store huge amount of data, but लेकिन less than a hard disk. इसमें भी हम डेटा को कलेक्ट करके रख सकते हैं, स्टोर करके रख सकते हैं बड़ी मात्रा में, लेकिन हार्ड डिस्क से कम। सबसे ज़्यादा डेटा हम हार्ड डिस्क में ही स्टोर कर सकते हैं क्योंकि इसकी कैपेसिटी अधिक होती है। एंड हम लोग पेन ड्राइव का यूज़ करके वी कैन यूज़ दिस पेन ड्राइव to transfer the data one computer to another. It means students, whatever you have saved, whatever you have stored in this pen drive, you can transfer them to the another computer easily and we can carry it easily with us. यानी इसको हम लोग कहीं भी आसानी से ले जा सकते हैं, ले आ सकते हैं और इसमें जो स्टोर्ड डेटा होते हैं वो डेटा किसी भी कंप्यूटर में ट्रांसफ़र किए जा सकते हैं। स्टूडेंट्स, दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडे। ओके, आज के लिए इतना है। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आई विल बी टीचिंग अबाउट द CD, मेमोरी कार्ड एंड ऑल सम ऑफ द थिंग्स अदर। So